The switcher in Brizy PRO also got an update, and now you can add to the switcher tabs icons of your own. Now, this is a standard switcher, and to interact with it, click on it and you get your normal switching. Note though that for some reason, sometimes the toolbar appears and other times it doesn't. I figured out when clicking at the bottom, it doesn't appear. When I click inside the tab on the text, then it appears. Not a glitch, but just pay attention to that. It can give you chills down your back. From the switcher tab, you will see that the icon appears up here, and now it's very easy to bring in an icon within the switcher, and you can place it on the left, at the top, right, and of course at the bottom. Change the size and the spacing. If you go to the switcher option and you put it on text outside like so, and you click on the switcher, which is what I did, you're not going to see the options. But remember, you have to click on the text, then you are going to get your options toolbar. Nice little feature like this icon that we get in the switcher. I wish we can get more nice little features all over the show.